Hello, I'm going to show you a new functionality for Virtual Universe Pro. This is a gateway that lets you import geometries from Unreal. This is very interesting because Unreal has now a new plugin called DataSmith that lets you import geometries from the main CAD software with a very nice quality. There is an Unreal project file that we put on this URL. It lets you start smoothly with this new functionality. So you can import, unzip, and then open it with Unreal. The first time you will open it, you will have some warning asking you if you want to rebuild the project. So say yes to all these questions. After that, yes, let me tell you about the versions, the minimum versions. So for Unreal, this is 4.25, and for Virtual Universe Pro this is 4.024. Okay, so inside Unreal I'm going to import a DataSmith project. This is an example from one of our partners in Canada, Quebec, Michel Villeneuve. So thank you very much to him to provide us this very nice geometry. Unreal asked me where I want to put the imported data. I'm going to create a folder. Okay. I can select what to import. In fact, I think from SolidWorks file I can only import geometry and materials. So anyway, I check these two check boxes, and okay, here is my model. As you can see, the rendering is really nice, very smooth. And then how to proceed to transfer these geometries to Virtual Universe Pro? Well, you have to rename the root actor that I want to be exported with this name to be exported to VUP. Okay, then I have to check this actor VUP, and I'm going to add my two windows on the screen to see what happened. Then, so from this object VUP, I have to select export to VUP, and then the model is transferred in Virtual Universe Pro. Here is my model. With the same structure than defined in SolidWorks. So it's very convenient. I remind you that this model, of course, can be used to create very nice virtual commissioning simulation. This simulation can also use Unity or Unreal for a real-time rendering. So you can have a very workflow to create your virtual commissioning with very nice rendering, with robots, and much more of that. Thanks a lot.